Hi co-creators and YouTubers, how are you? It's Kelly, and I just want to wish everybody a happy new year. Oh my god, it's the end of 2014. Can you believe it? Well, letting go of the old and in comes the new. I had moved, what else? I started again the CCOR. I had lost 40 pounds and regained 30. It is a huge struggle for weight loss. It really is. I don't know, just fell off the mountain or fell off the, but then there was things I did that were positive. I continued to go to the gym, kind of gave it up mostly in the summer, and then back again in the fall. And, I hope to lose weight, eat healthier, and what else? Follow the CCOR and pray, meditate, maybe start a Unity mastermind support group in regards to the 100-day challenge and mind, body, and spirit support group type of thing. Continue to do my hair, make it look really good, dress really nice. I hope to attract a new SUV with a sunroof and drive, and I hope and pray that the gas continues to be on the low end, which is awesome. It's starting to go down. I think it's like $1.02 here, and I'm in Canada, just to let you know. And I hope it goes down to at least like 90 or 85 cents a gallon or a liter. So that I hope to continue going down, and I hope it's a fantastic year around the world and in the cities, and that there'd be peace, love, harmony, unity. I pray to continue to organize and get structured, such as my storage room, my closets, letting go of the old clothing and getting some new clothes. Continue on with the FlyLady.net, who's awesome. And learn to have fun and dance and attract true love in my life to a man that's kind, caring, romantic, fun, funny, generous, who's honest, got a great voice, and kind, sensitive, loving, respectful, forgiving, great sense of humor, and who loves me and respects me for me, who loves me. And I hope to meet that man who loves to travel and dance, and who is romantic and supportive. Yeah, where is he? I hope he comes into my life this year, this new year coming up. But anyway, I want to be healthy, kind, loving, respectful, organized, prosperous. That's a big one too. To attract money and prosperity into my life, and to be contribute, to be loving, caring, kind, supportive, prosperous, abundant, to be grateful, to have a sense of humor, to love myself and love others for who they are, and have a great year. Have a great 2015. Do what I love. Be true to myself. That's really, really important. To be healthy and wealthy, to enjoy my new SUV with a sunroof that runs great, and to continue to be rich, healthy, wealthy, and prosperous, to sleep well, to choose healthy thoughts, behaviors, actions, to do what I love, to be around people that I love, to be more social, to go dancing, to have fun, to travel, to I'm hoping that maybe in February go to Florida, and February the 16th go to Florida, and by May the 16th be at my perfect weight, which is 126 pounds. So everybody have a great end of the year. Happy New Year's, and we'll see you in 2015. Looking good, feeling good, and being loving, happy, forgiving, and I pray for the families of AirAsia, the incident that just happened. God bless them and comfort them. And God bless all of you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in 2015. Much love. Again, this is day 62 of season 9 of the CCOR 100 Day Challenge. Bye, y'all. See you in 2015.